After a softer start this morning, the Australian share market has turned around to be in the black. Helping our market is a good performance from material stocks as well as the banks. But on the flip side, property is dragging on our market with most of the real estate investment trusts trading ex-distribution. Also trading ex today are some of the bond proxies like Sydney Airports as well as Transurban. There's been a huge amount of capital raised by the property sector in recent weeks before financial year end, and that's continued in recent days. We have seen Cromwell coming back online after the institutional placement, $375 million being raised at $1.15. The shares are trading down 7% at $1.17 today, but it is also trading ex-distribution. We've also heard from Growthpoint. It will be looking at raising capital, $150 million through an institutional placement, as well as an additional up to $15 million through a share purchase plan at $3.97. So those shares are not trading, and Centuria looking at a $70 million capital raising. GBST shareholders have been advised to take no action on the Bravura bid. GBST directors saying that there have been other parties interested in the business and it will now undertake a formal process to work out its strategic options. So all in all, turning out to be a positive day on the Australian share market despite those weak leads coming through from offshore. But investors really looking to the G20 meeting over the weekend in Japan to figure out whether those trade war talks between the US and China are going to be conducive to the market or whether we're going to see an escalation in those tariffs.